Hi everyone, welcome back to Current Body. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Trophy Skin MicrodermMD, which is a salon standard microdermabrasion device that you can use from the comfort of your own home. The Trophy Skin MicrodermMD has two settings that you can choose from. You can choose the manual or you can choose the auto setting. So the manual setting allows you to choose intensities from between 1 to 8, whilst the auto mode guides you through the treatment and auto-selects the intensities that you should use for different areas of the face. So on the screen it shows you which direction you should be using and which body area, and it also counts down for you. So before you begin, you just need to make sure you remove all makeup from your skin and that it's clean from any products such as moisturisers. So first up, you need to remove the microdermabrasion head, and you need to pop this little black filter in to there because that's going to catch all the dead skin cells, and you get about 100 in a pack. So I'm going to be using this on the auto setting. It's perfectly normal for your face to go red because you are stimulating the top layer of your skin, so don't worry if it does. But if you find that it is going a little bit too red or it irritates your skin, you may just need to reduce the intensity, or you might be sticking in one area for too long, so it just means you need to keep moving. So now it's telling me to move on to my eye area, and it's reduced the setting down to level 3, much less than my forehead. So I'm just going to hold the eye area taut before I start. Now it's saying to go onto the cheek, so it's up the level to 6 because it's a larger surface area and it can take more pressure. Next, it's to go onto the nose. So this is great for really extracting all those blackheads. Next up, we're moving on to the chin, so the pressure has gone down a little bit, and you just need to make sure not to go over the lip area because that's really sensitive. And the great thing about this is that you can also treat your neck, so if you get any congestion or texture or rough skin on your neck, or if you're worried about anti-aging, it's really great for that. And for the last one, you can move on to your chest. So that's great, again, if you've got texture or anti-aging concerns. I won't be showing you it for the purpose of this demonstration, but you're welcome to do that at home. So at the end of the treatment, you simply remove the tip, and my favourite part is when you can see all the dead skin that's come off on this black filter here. What you need to do is just wipe away the excess, and you can reuse these filters about 3 or 4 times, and then you just need to replace it with a new one. So I personally love this device. I've got it at home, and I used to get microdermabrasion facials in a salon, which were very expensive and time consuming. So now that I can do this at home, I probably do it about once a week on a Sunday, so my skin's prepped for the week, and it just makes my skincare absorb much better. I notice that my texture on my skin is a lot smoother, and it just generally makes it a bit more glowy. If you want to find out any more information about the Trophy Skin MicrodermMD or any of our other devices, all the links you need are down below.